The purpose of this video is for me to play with and test the follow me mode with the Maven app. I haven't read all of the manual. I've read some of it and I've watched a few videos. So this is kind of just a trial and error. It's not really a tutorial. But you're welcome to follow along as I try to use the follow me mode. I'm in my truck with the controller and I'm flying a Mavic 2 Zoom, and I'm going to take it up about 160 feet or so directly above me. And I know enough to click the three dots, which brings up the menu that I can select the co-pilot. And it looks like it defaults to POI, and it says there's a POI not set, so I figure out I need to click on the little man, which means focus on me there on the bottom left here in a second. Okay, I did that. Then I clicked on automatic yaw, automatic camera tilt, and I tried to click follow me and altitude follow, but the follow me didn't take. You may have seen it on the screen. It said I was underneath the 20 feet minimum distance required for follow me. So since I'm an amateur, I'm not sure what's happening at the moment, but I'm gonna give it a try. So there I actually turned on the follow me mode, but then I don't know what happened. I turned it off again. Not sure why. That's why this isn't a tutorial. This is just watching a regular person give it a try with reading part of the manual and watching a video or two. So what's happening is the camera and the drone is staying stationary, but it's keeping me in center frame since the automatic yaw and automatic camera tilt is keeping track of me. Again, you can see I tried to click the follow me button again then, but now I'm over the 492 feet maximum distance this time. The drone does a really good job though of keeping me in center frame with the automatic yaw and automatic camera tilt. But I'm coming back so that I can be within the 492 feet max, but over the 20 feet minimum distance. So I'm going to be able to click on the follow me mode here in a second. Okay, I did that. Again, the controller is in my truck in the passenger seat. So I'm guessing that the drone is following me going backwards because of the orientation of the drone in my truck when I actually clicked on the follow me button. I'm not sure about that. Here you can see it's actually rotating slightly. I don't have the rotation selected, but it still looks really good. The tracking works really well because there I'm behind a tree. However, the drone still tracks me because it doesn't use the line of sight. It uses the signal from the controller, which again is in my truck. And I'm switching between the video from my camera, which shows the app so you can see what's going on there, to the actual video of the drone filming me as I drive along my neighborhood street. So here I'm going to get up on the highway, turn right. I'm not going to go very far. I'm just going to turn back into the next street at the highway. Now, if you notice the speedometer on the left, you can see the drone got up to 26 miles an hour, keeping me in frame. The altitude of the drone is about 168 feet. We'll see here in a little bit, though, that the drone altitude will change because I have the altitude follow selected, which means it'll go up or down in altitude based on the altitude that my truck is at. I don't have any large hills, but there are hills that go up 10 feet or so, and we'll see that here in a little bit. Again, doing a really nice job, the Maven app, keeping me in center frame and following me along. Now it's following me from behind. Again, I'm not sure why it's doing that. It could be because the controller is in my passenger seat, and I think I might be moving it occasionally while it's in the seat to look at the screen, just glancing at it, and it might change the orientation of the drone to me. I'll have to experiment with that later at another time. So here you can see the drone's about 171, 172 feet. There was a little hill that I was on, so you can tell how it goes up or down based on my altitude. The drone's clipping along at 20 some odd miles an hour, keeping up with me. Now here I'm going to lower the drone's altitude in relation to me about 30 feet or so. So you can see it go down. It says relative altitude 117 feet now to my truck. So we're just a little, same thing's going on. It's just I'm a little bit closer to my truck as far as altitude goes. I really like the follow me mode on the Maven app. It works really well. This did, I think, just about perfect. So I'm gonna pull in my driveway here and stop the video. Again, this wasn't a tutorial. It was just something that you could follow along with me. And I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you.